Hi guys, you're highly welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to measure, how to cut, and how to sew an agbada. Yes, so it simply means you are going to learn a lot of things from this video today. So guys, this is going to be a beginner friendly tutorial. I'll make sure that I explain everything in detail so that you will get everything. So I'm not going to conceal anything here. I'm going to pretend as if I'm teaching a beginner. So guys, the first thing we are going to talk about is the measurement, how to measure for agbada. And we only need two measurements for agbada, just the length of the agbada and the sleeve of the agbada. It's as simple as that. When taking the length of the agbada, it's very simple. You take the length from the shoulder down to this place. This is the knee point or the kneecap. Take the measurement from here down to wherever you want your agbada to be or to stop. Now let's talk about the sleeve of the agbada, how to take the sleeve of the agbada measurement. To take the sleeve of the agbada measurement, you take the measurement from the center back. From the center back of your client, that is where you take the sleeve of the agbada from. And you take it down to wherever you want the agbada sleeve to be. So guys, we are done with the measurement. It's as simple as this. Now let's go into the main cutting of the agbada. So now, what you are seeing on your screen now is a drawing. Yes, this is a drawing on how agbada looks exactly. This is how agbada looks. Before I go into detail of how I got all these stuffs, I'd love to briefly explain some things. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, this is likely the good time for you to subscribe. And if you derive any value at all from this video, kindly hit that likes button for me, please, and share this video with your friends. And I want you to stay tuned till the end of this video because I have a bonus for you and I know you are going to love it. Yes, I'm going to share something very, very important to you at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Now, this is the neck of the agbada. This is the design of the agbada, or the embroidery design. So this is the sleeve of the agbada. What you are seeing here, this is the sleeve of the agbada, and this is the main agbada. This is the main agbada. These are the sleeve of the agbada. I'll go into detail on how I got all those things, or how you can get all these things. But before that, let me tell you something. How many yards do you need to make a single agbada? In the making of a single agbada, you need between 4 to 5 yards to make an agbada. But when you are using a material that is measured per trouser length, you need 3 trouser lengths. One trouser length is 45, while a yard is 36. You need 3 trouser lengths to make one single agbada. So now, you need 3 trouser lengths. I'm going to assume this is one of the trouser lengths of the agbada. This is the second trouser length of the agbada. And finally, this is the third trouser length of the material that we are going to be using for this agbada. So I have all the 3 trouser lengths with me here. Now, how to cut the agbada? So the first thing you are going to do here is the main agbada. You are going to cut the main agbada out of this material here. And in order for you to cut the main agbada, you just pick one trouser length like this, and you are going to measure from here down to this place. For example, if the length of your agbada is 36, then you are going to add 4 inch for sewing allowance, and that will be 40 inch. Then, so the length of your agbada now is going to be 40 of an inch. Once you measure that 40, you are going to cut that. Like I'm going to assume that this plain sheet here is 40 inch long. So now you have your main agbada. This is your main agbada. You still have 2 trouser lengths of your material left behind, and those 2 trouser lengths are going to serve as our sleeve of the agbada. Now you have your agbada, the main agbada with you. This is the one I'm talking about. You have this one already with the exclusion of the sleeve. Now once you have this one, the next thing we are going to do is this. So you are going to separate the agbada from each other. Look at how to do. You know it is being folded. It is folded. So you are going to separate them from each other. Separate them. So once you are done with the separation, so we have only one layers of this material now. So once you are done with the separation, so you are going to join this place. So you are going to join this place. Once you join that place, then that is when you will now come to the taking of the neck of the agbada. Now I'm going to show you how to do the neck of how to cut the neck of the agbada. But sometimes it's not necessarily for you, the tailor, to cut the neck of the agbada. The embroidery designer will be the one to take care of all those ones. And you can also get already done embroidery design from the market. Once you buy that one from the market, it covers all you need to do is to place it on this main agbada. After you are done with the joining, then all you need to do is to place the embroidery design on it and sew it on it. Then you will now follow the pattern or the neck of the agbada. So guys, that is all for the neck, but let me show you how to get the neck of your agbada. To get the neck of your agbada, it's very simple. What you are going to do, you come to the main agbada and you are going to locate the middle. This is the middle of the main agbada here. So this is the middle of it, and so from here to here is going to be 10 of an inch, and from that place to this place is going to be 11 of an inch. It simply means the wideness of the neck is going to be 10 of an inch, while the length of the agbada is going to be 11 of an inch. You have 11 inch here, and we have 10 inch here. So guys, it's as simple as this. And to get the this very shape here, you can figure that out by yourself, and you will be okay. You can do any shape, you can use round shape or any shape of your choice. So that is all for the neck. Now let's sleeve of the agbada. To get the sleeve of the agbada is very simple. You know, the length of this our agbada is 40 of an inch. Now to get the sleeve of the main agbada is very simple. We are going to do the same thing. This is when we are going to put the sleeve of the agbada into consideration. So guys, now the sleeve of the agbada, I'm going to assume the sleeve of the agbada is 25 of an inch. Hopefully you can see that 25. Now in order for us to get it, it's very simple. Now you are going to measure from the center back down to this point here, and you are going to take note of the number that you get. For example, from here to here, I got 10 of an inch. 10 of an inch, right? So we are going to subtract 1 from this 10, so we will be left with 9 of an inch. That 1 of an inch is for the sleeve sewing allowance. Sleeve sewing allowance, take note of that. So the main agbada gave us 9 of an inch. So what we are going to do now is very simple. So we are going to subtract this 9 from the original sleeve of this agbada. I know the original sleeve is 25. So we subtract 9 from it, and we will be left with, so guys, we'll be left with 16. So guys, now take note of this. We have 16. So this 16 is what we are going to make use of now. So this tells us that the sleeve of the agbada, the wideness of the sleeve of the agbada is going to be 16. When it is being added to the 9 inch that we got from here, it will give us the 25, which is the length of the sleeve that we are trying to figure out. So guys, now let's do this. In order for us to get this, is very simple. You know, we still have 2 trouser lengths of our material left behind for the sleeve of the agbada. This is one of the trouser lengths. Make sure that it's going to be folded like this. It's going to be folded. So guys, now once you have something like this, you know, the agbada, you are going to do some folding at the end of this place here. This one, there's going to be a folding in. So that folding in is going to be 1 of an inch, and the sewing allowance for the sleeve is going to be 1 of an inch also. So which means we need to add 2 inch to this 16. So that will give us 18. Yes, we have 18. So this shows that the wideness of our sleeve now is going to be 18 in total. So after the folding and the sewing, then you will be the sleeve will return back to its original sleeve length. So now let's talk about how to cut the sleeve of the agbada. Let me tell you something here. As you can see, this agbada, the upper part of the agbada, the sleeve of the agbada is longer than the lower parts of the agbada sleeve.
The simple thing about the sleeve is that you are going to shorten the lower part of the sleeve of the agbada by 4 of an inch, while the upper part you are going to keep it at that 25. That will represent the sleeve of the agbada. So guys, I'm going to tell the reason why I use 4 at the end of this video.
To join the sleeve of the agbada is very simple. You are going to do the joining as you did here. How you join this place, you are going to repeat the same process here. But remember to weave it when you are done. Use your overlock machine, or you just overlock it. So that is all. Now I promise you to share with you a bonus or a tips that will be of help to you. Stay tuned now. But before we do that, if you are yet to subscribe now. And if you derive any value from this video at all, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Now let's talk about it. So guys, the first tip that I'm going to share with you is this. When you are sewing your agbada, so when you are joining the down part of the agbada sleeve, you are going to leave this leaf two of an inch from here to here. You are going to sew from here to here, and you will do the same thing here. And
so guys, another thing I want you to take note is that I promise you that I'm going to share with you why I use for the down parts of the agbada sleeve and leaving the upper part of the agbada sleeve the same. So here is a simple calculation, so that the original sleeve of the agbada is 25, yes, so we are going to divide that 25 by 6. When you divided that 25 by 6, so you will get 4 point something. So you are going to be ignoring the point something, so we are going to be making use of that 4. So that 4, you are going to subtract that 4 from that 25. So whatever you have will be the down part of the agbada. So guys, don't forget to like the video if you derive any value, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to cut and how to sew real adult agbada. Watch this space. Make sure you turn on your bell icon so that you will be the one to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.